Hey, let me show you how you can go back on the Pixel 11 Pro. So it actually depends of your navigation method, but let's say that first of all, you are gonna use these gestures. So you will have to swipe from the left of the screen and release. It doesn't actually matter if you are gonna swipe at the top or at the bottom, or for example, from the right side. Yes, it's also possible to make this swipe gesture from the right of your screen. And there's also option to click on the dedicated back button. Sometimes it is available, so you can just click like so. But if you want to quickly go for the home screen, for example, you don't have to just swipe like this. You can just simply make this gesture, like swipe and release. And you can also go back with a classic button. So if you really want to do this, you have to go for display and the touch, scroll down for a navigation mode. Now just select 3-button navigation, and as you can see here, it is.